about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hello guys, so today I am dyeing my hair. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be dyeing it from home thanks to Dark and Lovely. So this is the box right here. The dye is called Dark and Lovely Fade Resist, and she's in the color light golden blonde. So we're gonna see how my hair turns out with this particular dye. Okay, so your hair should be detangled. So here we have our cream developer. We are just going to snap off the tip of this. Oops. We are going to take our high lift booster and put it with the cream developer. Pour all of it in there. Now we just put the cap back on the developer. We're gonna put our finger over the tip here and just shake, shake, shake for 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Next we are adding our rich conditioning hair lightener. Just pour all of this into the developer. Smells really good. And we are going to shake this up and point away from your face when shaking this up. I think this will go faster for me. So here goes nothing. So 2 boxes of this dye is recommended for full coverage. It is recommended that you work your way from your ends to your roots. You want to leave the dye on your ends for 20 minutes. And then after the 20 minutes is up, then you add it to your roots, also known as your new growth. So I did, however, want my shaved sides to be more vibrant than the longer part of my hair. That is the look I was going for. So I did go ahead and apply the dye to my sides. Applying it to my roots, and after that we are going to let this sit for 40 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer. Oh my goodness, it's already kind of turning colors. We are just going to saturate our hair with this conditioner. This dye actually comes in 18 colors. They give you, Dark and Lovely gives you a lot of colors to pick from. 18 is a good amount of number. Dark and Lovely also has like 2 new shades, Crimson Moon, and I think Hazelnut Brown. This does last up to 8 weeks. 8 weeks of vibrant color and gray coverage. So I still have my conditioner on. So this is the reveal, you guys. I am, however, filling the lighter roots because it does give the illusion that my hair is freshly cut when really I have a lot of new growth here. So I think I'm gonna kind of wear it to the side like this, you guys. I do think that eventually I will go lighter on my ends here. I may wait a good 2 months before I make my ends lighter and just have everything one color. But I was really going for this like shaved look on the sides, so I went ahead and lightened this part first so it could be more intense.